हाय फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्कार। वेलकम टू एसीसी मुंबई। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप आपने मेरा पहले का वीडियो को देखा होगा, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज का, फॉर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग। टुडे वी आर गोना लर्न अबाउट वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स। देखिए, हम सब इंग्लिश बात करते हैं, पर आर वी यूजिंग सम पावरफुल वर्ड्स विच मेक आवर सेंटेंस स्ट्रॉन्गर? ऑलराइट, सो वेरी डे टू डे लैंग्वेज मैं ऐसे अल्फाज यूज किए हैं मैंने। आई हैव 15 वर्ड्स फॉर यू टुडे। ऑलराइट, सो फॉर 15 वर्ड्स यू विल सी आप एवरी डे तकरीबन ऑलवेज आप यही वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं। बट इससे बेहतर वर्ड्स मैं आपको बताने वाला हूं, जिसका जब आपको इल्म होगा, आपके वोकैबुलरी में, आपके बात करने के तरीके में बहुत ही बेहतरीन इजाफा होगा। सो लेट्स गुड स्टार्ट, लेट्स हैव अ गुड स्टार्ट विद दिस। Before we begin, let me ask you, have you subscribed to my channel? If not, please do so and have some fantastic command on the English language. There you go. I'll just share my screen. Give me one moment. मैं इंग्लिश हिंदी दोनों में बात करूंगा आपसे, ताकि यू विल ऑब्जर्व ये कितना बेहतरीन लैंग्वेज है। नाउ प्लीज हैव अ लुक. Alright, so when you see these slides, you will observe 15 words which we use every day, almost every other day. But क्या हम उसको पावरफुल कर सकते हैं? Can we use some words which are better than the words what we are using? Alright, so let us see. Give me one moment. Yes, here we go. We have the word extra time. अपन कहते हैं ना, मुझे थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम चाहिए कुछ काम करने के लिए. आई नीड सम एक्स्ट्रा टाइम. सर मे टेक सम एक्स्ट्रा टाइम. वेरी कॉमन वर्ड. Rather than using extra time, what do you have to use? You will have to use a term which is additional. I need some additional time. Agree? Looks nice, sounds nice. I need some additional time. Fair enough. The first term was extra time. We go for additional. All right. We go for the next term. Change. I need a change. Can I change this? क्या मैं इसको change कर सकता हूँ? इसको बदल सकता हूँ मैं? I have a term for change which says alteration or amendment. Can I amend it? Can I have some alteration? All right, so ये सब common terms हैं. You have speak today language, you will speak good English, friends. आप लोग अच्छा use करेंगे इसका, in language का. All right, let's go for the third. First one was second, and first and second हो गया. I am not able to use this. Give me one moment. Yes, the third one. The first and second done. The third one, expect, उम्मीद करना. Everyone is expecting good results. Everyone wants good things in life. We expect office may we expect a good reputation. We expect some good results from your work. What will you say? Anticipate. We are anticipating a lovely results from you. Agree? So we are expecting, or and we go for the next one. One, two, three. The fourth one. Find out. जरा इसको इसके बारे में निकाल कुछ पता पता लगाना. टू एंटिसिपेट आया था पहले का, अब आया असर्टेन. व्हाट वी से, मुझे ढूंढना पड़ेगा, मुझे क्या खोज करनी पड़ेगी, ये सही है कि नहीं. तो व्हाट विल आई विल असर्टेन वेदर दिस इज करेक्ट और नॉट. अगर मुझे कुछ बोला कि सर डू यू नो ये सही है कि गलत है, आई डोंट नो वेदर इट्स राइट, आई हैव टू असर्टेन. जरा मैं खोज करके बताता हूँ ये सही है. 1 2 3 4. वी हैव द फिफ्थ वन, हेल्पफुल. वेरी कॉमन. वी हैव टू हेल्प ईच अदर. हमें सबकी मदद करनी है. वी हैव टू बी हेल्पफुल टू ईच अदर. अग्री? सो वी हैव टू बी बेनिफिशियल. या फिर अगर मैं कहूं, इज दिस लेक्चर हेल्पफुल टू यू? अगर मैं आपको कहूं मेरा ये लेक्चर आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होएगा, सो व्हाट विल आई से? हेल्पफुल के लिए इंस्टेड ऑफ हेल्पफुल आई से दिस लेक्चर विल बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. आपको बहुत फायदा आएगा इस लेक्चर से. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये था पांचवा वर्ड विच इज हेल्पफुल. हेल्पफुल इंस्टेड ऑफ हेल्पफुल वी शुड यूज बेनिफिशियल. इट्स अ बेटर टर्म. ऑलराइट, लेट्स गो द सिक्स्थ वर्ड. स्टॉप. STOP. स्टॉप. Stop the lecture, stop your talk, stop the music, stop this, stop that. Alright, जब किसी को खत्म करना है हम स्टॉप कहते हैं. कॉमन वर्ड है. अग्री? यू कैन से डिसकंटिन्यू. नाउ डिसकंटिन्यू डजंट मीन कि वो उसी वक्त के लिए इज डिसकंटिन्यू, खत्म हो गया. एट टाइम्स स्टॉप इज टेकन एज अ वेरी सॉर्ट ऑफ blunt response, something very harsh. स्टॉप को हार्श माना जाएगा. ऑलराइट, सो यू कैन यूज डिसकंटिन्यू. दैट मेक्स गुड सेंस. नेक्स्ट, time. वक्त. How much time will you take, or what's the time you require? Anything will matter. All right, हर वक्त हर वक्त वक्त का जिक्र होता है. तो यू कैन से, अगर मैं लेक्चर बोलूं, अगर ये मेरा लेक्चर चल रहा है, सो व्हाट फॉर हाउ मच टाइम विल यू टेक द लेक्चर. You will ask me that they will ask me, sir, what time will you end the lecture, or for how much time. ये बहुत कॉमन है. दिस इज कॉल्ड MTI, which is called mother tongue influence. All right, mother tongue influence. आप कब तक लेक्चर लेंगे? Till what time will you take the lecture? Typical conversion of Hindi into English. ये आपको नहीं करना है. You know what? You will ask me, sir, what will be the duration of your lecture? Isn't that cool? बहुत मजा आएगा आपको इसमें. What's the duration of a lecture? It makes a different word. It's a different meaning. I mean, not the meaning, I'm sorry, not the meaning, but a different flavor, a nice flavor to your sentence. What will be the time duration of your lecture? You can also use time duration. Even they go together. You may say what's the duration of a lecture, or what's the time duration you will take the lecture. You can use both. Eighth one, stress. The biggest issue in today's world. Everybody has got stress, physical stress, mental stress, emotional stress. All right. What is the term we can use rather than stress? Stress is also like in a negative sense. All right. We can use emphasis. Now, this stress is not what I actually told you, physical stress, mental stress. Stress is actually when I speak something, I'm talking of on some topic, I'm stressing on a point. In my previous lecture, I was stressing about the articles a, and the. All right. Today, I'm stressing on powerful word. So rather than saying stress, I would use emphasis. I am emphasizing on using powerful English words. Nice. So that is the emphasis. So you can use this. Stress is not actually the physical stress, mental stress. It is the emphasis on your talks. Often, कई बार, काफी दफा, मैंने ऐसा किया, मैंने वैसा किया. Often, many a times, many times this happen. So what's the term for often? We will say frequently. Ideally, I should frequently put videos of English speaking. Last 2 days I was not well. My apologies. मैंने आपसे कहा भी था that I will put the next video, but I just couldn't do it last evening. All right. So this is here for you. So often जो कहते हैं कई बार, कई दफा, उसको हम कहेंगे frequently. I frequently put videos of English speaking on YouTube. I frequently go to picnic, of course, picnic तो नहीं, but I frequently go to visit the park. I frequently go for walk, but not for walk. For walk, you should go actually daily. You should go for a walk daily because our lives have become so monotonous. We are working at home, in the office, but we don't walk. So, friends, please give me a thought. Give me a patience. What is listening? Give me a time, and you should go. You should walk. 10th one. Give is furnish. This is something very unique. At times, furnish, you will say furnishing the home. That's a different thing. That is furnishing. This is give means furnish. If I'm giving some documents to my senior, or some student is giving me some documents, he or she is furnishing the documents to me. If I am going to an office and I'm giving some documents, I am giving my documents to the office. I have furnished my documents to the office. I have furnished means I have given. मैंने दे दिए. I have given my documents to the office. Next. From now on. मैं चाहता हूं आप लोग यही यूज करें. I mean, not from now, but I want this to be happy to have in you. From now onwards. अपन कहते हैं ना आज से. So instead of saying all the 3 words from now on, instead of saying 3 words, you will say henceforth. आज से मैं रोज इंग्लिश में बात करूंगा, या I will speak in English henceforth, आज से. So that is a catch. From now on is henceforth. Nice. Next. However, हालांकि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था, पर ये हो गया. ठीक है. However, या फिर I was to take a class for 1 hour. However, I will take for 1.5 hour. मैं आपका लेक्चर 1.5 घंटा लूंगा. So however का एक सब्स्टिट्यूट होता है nevertheless. Very common word and an awesome word, friends. Awesome word. You must have seen often. Many people use this term nevertheless. Nevertheless means however. A good word for however. All right. Next. Happen. सब कुछ होना, कुछ action होना. I was going on the road and an accident happened or something happened. All right. उस happening को, what is the word you will use instead of happen? The happening would happen as an occurrence. You know, occur. Do not pronounce that occur. It's not occur. Do not use O as occur. It's occur. Alright. So happening is occurrence. So when I was walking on the road, an accident occurred. Rather than saying an accident happened, an accident occurred. Next one. Repay. If I have to repay a debt, मैंने किसी से उधार लिया या कुछ लिया and I have to repay. So, okay. So when I say repayment, you have to repay the money. The word for repayment is reimburse. A good term. I will be reimbursing the amount to you. Nice. Last but not the least, the 15th term, feasible. The most wonderful term. Feasible. क्या ये मुमकिन है, क्या ये मुनासिब है, is it good for it, it is good to happen. Feasible. I might go to the office, but I'm not sure whether it's feasible. Suppose I'm not keeping well, मुझे श्योरिटी नहीं है कि ये मुमकिन होगा कि नहीं होगा. All right. So I would say feasible का term is viable. What is this viable? All right. Viable क्या होता है? It is feasible. अब पता नहीं मुमकिन है कि नहीं होगा, देखा जाएगा. So I'm not sure whether it is viable. So in life there are many possibilities in life. All possibilities may not happen. All may not be viable. हो सकता है कई possibilities उसको try करने लायक ना हो या वो मुनासिब ना हो. So please take care. This is the term which is viable. All right. So at a glance, if I observe, let me have a look. Yeah, 15 word देखे हैं. All right. At a glance, I will see all 15 of them on the left hand side. I see that this is change. This was extra time additional. Extra time was additional. Second, change was alteration or amendment. Fair enough. Next, we say expect. Expect is anticipate. Next, find out. I'm so sorry. Yeah, sorry for that. Expect was anticipate. Fourth was find out. Find out is ascertain. Let me find out for you. Let me ascertain it. Fifth, helpful. Helpful is beneficial. All right. Helpful is beneficial. Sixth one. Stop. Stop is continue is discontinue. I stop it. I discontinue. All right. Next. Time. Time is duration. Was a duration. Seventh. Eighth. Stress. Stress is emphasis. Let me just scroll it. It looks better. Yeah. Stress is emphasis. Often. Kai dafa. Kai bar. Often is frequently. Nice. Give. A good one, friends. Right now, you can start using this. Give me the book. I mean, of course, not give me the book, but especially officially, when you use this thing, I have to give the documents to the office. I have to fill the form. I have to fill the form and give it to the office. I have to furnish these in details. The details are given to the office, right? From now on, आज से आपको इंग्लिश में बात करनी है. From now onwards, rather than saying all these 4 words, henceforth, I will speak in English. I will give a due, attempt. I have to attempt to speak in English. Next, however was nevertheless. I'll just take this up. This one, however, we have seen that. Nevertheless. Third one, I'm so sorry for this. Happen. Happen was occur. The happening was occur. Occurrence was happening. To happen was occur. Yeah. Repay. Repay was reimbursement. You repay something, you get reimbursed. 15. Last one. Feasible is viable. Please take care. This is viable. Fair enough. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this lecture. With this, I take your leave. Please try to use these 15 words. I will bring 15 more words in the next lecture. And I will also make you have a command for spoken English, wherein we have first person, second person, third person, especially with the tenses. Some couple of days ago, मैंने क्या किया था? I had been live ठीक है, तो वो लाइव वीडियो वाज नॉट एज क्लियर एज इट शुड बी, बट very soon I'm going to bring a video for you where you will learn present tense, past tense, future tense, in which we have different bifurcations for all three of them, like progressive, simple present, simple progressive, simple perfect, all would be there. Present perfect, present progressive or present perfect, all three are there. So ये सिंपल में होता है, पास्ट में सॉरी प्रेजेंट में होता है, पास्ट में होता है, फ्यूचर में होता है. सो इससे जब आप करेंगे ना, तो वी विल टॉक ऑफ प्रोनाउंस, नाउन्स, वर्ब्स, एक्शन वर्ब्स क्या होते हैं विद आईएनजी विच इज कंटिन्यूएंस, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो सब सारी बातों को लेके, तमाम बातों को लेके, आई वांट यू टू गेट अ कमांड, मे बी नॉट टुडे, मे बी नॉट टुमारो, बट गिव इट एन अटेम्प्ट. आप लोग प्लीज कोशिश कीजिए एंड ट्राई टू गिव अ वंडरफुल परफॉर्मेंस इन इंग्लिश. आई विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. Do subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like my channel. I'll be appreciated. Thank you so much for it. Have a lovely evening ahead. Have a nice time. Bye bye.